Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Tab S10 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, and then you have to click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Then you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not. And now, as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.